today are important, but Nigerians still complain that they don't feel the impact. What would you say is the biggest barrier between agencies' achievements and passenger experiences?
Well, the issue of safety in the aviation industry and the efforts put into making sure that passengers are safe, there are things that are not visible to the eyes. There are things that take place behind the scene. However, what the passengers want to see at the airport is just a simple passenger experience. The ones they can see with their eyes, clean toilets, working ACs, good carousels and all that. But you can see the regulation, the regulators, like NAMA is here, NCA here, what they do behind the scene to ensure that you land safely, to ensure that the equipment are working, the communication. When you're in the plane and they're about to land, you don't understand what's going on. There are all kinds of things going on. They are radioing the tower is radioing, they are telling you when to come in, when to stay, when to hang around, so that there won't be accidents in the air. These are the things the passengers don't see, but a lot of effort. That is the real work of aviation. However, the passenger thinks that the real work of aviation is AC working at the airport, so that's what they want to see. So, but we have the responsibility to carry everybody along, and that's why you see today, the stakeholders' engagement involved everything. Both the ones that the passenger can immediately feel, and the ones that we are doing behind the scene to ensure that everybody is safe. I agree with you to some extent that we still need to improve. But many things have changed. For example, FAN has told you that they had about 138 gaps. I'm talking of not 2, not 3, not 10, 138. And between the last time and now, when not only us, international inspectors came and they saw that we have covered all of those gaps. 138 gaps at the airport, things that you don't see with your eyes, that ensures safety and security. So there has been a lot of improvement. There are other areas we need to improve upon, and I did mention them there. And that's why we're even having this stakeholders engagement, because we want to see the feedback. We want to know where we have to improve. There's no perfect system, but we'll keep working within our limited capacity to ensure that we cover those gaps.
All right, thank you very much, Honorable Minister.
Thank you.